Alright, you guys, round 2. You guys think of that bad boy? Nice. Over here. Yeah, bad boy. Oh. Like I said, it's gonna be a lot of fun, a lot of cool bikes.
I saw you look good.
What do you think about that one, huh? Oh my. Oh. Donations. Tell they've got all kinds of. Yeah, I know. It's how much does this bike go for?
What's that?
What does this bike go for?
This is a bike that was donated to the Gold Star Foundation. I'll tell you the story on it.
Go ahead.
That's Lance Corporal. What's his name? Travis. I always say Keith. Travis Nelson. He was killed in action in Afghanistan in 2011.
All right.
His mom ended up buying this bike in 2013, because it's a year of it, and had it painted and rode it around, dedicated this bike to her son. So her son was always with it. And she ended up donating the bike to the Gold Star Foundation. And so we travel around.
Show off. So he died for his country.
Yep.
Right?
As a Marine.
As a Marine, my brother was a Marine. He's passed. My nephew is a Marine. I've never served, but yeah, it's never an easy thing, man.
No.
Not an easy thing.
Former Marine myself, so.
Thanks for your service, my friend. Appreciate it.
No problem. I appreciate your family.
No problem. Without you guys, we're not. I've always said for World War II, if it was hard, they would have done it. We would be speaking German right now.
Right. Exactly.
And it's from those beaches.
Yep.
Snap the necks to Kraus and free the Jews.
My great-grandfather was the leader of platoon that put the flag on Iwo Jima.
There you go, baby. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you guys go. Leather jackets. Clothing galore. Huh. All kinds of clothing here. Early bird, any coat, $139 any rack. Oh my goodness. That's you. That's you.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's you. That's you. Nice. $139. Not bad. Double XL. It's a heavy sucker right there. Oh my goodness. $139, regular $205. Nice. You know, for all you women, want to go overboard. That's not bad for leather jackets. $139. Heck yeah. Why not, right? I already have enough leather jackets. Ring. Like, look like brass knuckles.
You in there?
Here. All right. And the steel. Very nice. Those bad boys. Necklaces. All kinds of fun stuff.
I'm gonna take a picture.
All right. Of course, and there was a couple over here. I looked at over here, but I walked away from there. Over here. Kind of cool. We'll go back over here.
Well, I don't know if I can put this.
We'll get over here. There are bikes over here, a whole bunch. And of course, scantily dressed. Nice. $2023. Nice. Work in progress, baby. No way I'd kill myself on that. Look at these over here real quick. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy. Old ass bike. Oh. Interesting stuff. Older bikes. Huh? What a bad boy. Oh my. I was over here last time, but these I didn't get a chance to look at. It's a hell of a nice bike. That one's cool as hell. That's cool.
Yeah, he has a lot of good video. What's it? That's where he went.
You need a motorcycle. We'll go over here to some we got stuff over here. You got jewelry and stuff.
Again? They put us over here again? They move us closer to you, they put us over here again?
Clothing. Some old tricycles here, man. Some old ass bike there, that thing. God, that's like, oh my goodness.